Welcome to a super exciting session brought to you by JPS VKids Radio, where young minds take over the mic and make some serious noise. I'm Shania Nair, and today is not just another day at the mic. It's a celebration of brilliance, creativity, and all things mass media. And guess what? We are joined by one of the brightest stars here, the toppers of mass media from the batch 2025. Ahan Bhagasrawala, Advitya Singh, and Sneha Chavan. They are the ones who've aced it in scoring a perfect 100 out of 100 in mass media. We are going to have a friendly chat with the current batch of 9th grade mass media students. So let's begin.
Congratulations to all the three of you. I, Kian Zaveri from class 9D, would like to ask all the toppers, how does it feel coming back to the radio room after such a long time?
Honestly, it feels really very nostalgic and special coming back to the radio room after such a long time. This place holds a lot of memories. This reminds me how far we have come, not just in terms of the marks, but also a journey, the creativity, and the passion we have shared during the lectures.
It feels great coming back to this room after 6 months. The AC is working well, so that's a positive. But seeing a new batch, everyone's energetic, ma'am, sir, nice to be here after a long time. Feels great.
I am honestly so happy to be here because this room holds so many memories for me, and all the fun that I've had with my classmates and Pradnya ma'am, of course, even Shantanu sir. So being here today, giving an interview instead of taking one is just altogether another experience, and I'm so grateful to be here. So yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Aditya. I'm from 9C. What was your reaction when you saw your perfect MMC score?
So I was very happy when my results came in. I had just woken up very late and I saw the mass media marks. Nice, I was happy, 100 on 100, expected to a certain extent. And then I ate an ice cream and went to sleep. That's it. Nothing much.
I was really hoping for 100 because I had put in a lot of efforts, and then obviously Pradnya ma'am's guidance. But then seeing the perfect score, obviously it felt surreal.
I was really happy when I got to see my marks, and I think immediately after my happiness, I was so grateful to Pradnya ma'am and even Shantanu sir, because their book and their teaching helped me so much that I wasn't really surprised that I've gotten a perfect score. So I would just like to thank both of them.
Hi, I'm Avian from 9B. My question to Sneha is, besides your parents, who was the first person you told your marks to, and why them?
Other than my parents, the first person I told was my sister. She has seen all the behind the scenes, the last minute I'm sure I'm failing breakdown. So I had to tell her first.
Hi, I'm Palak Singh from class 9D. So my question is, what and who inspired you to pursue mass media? So any one of you can answer to this question.
So thank you so much, Palak, for this wonderful question. For me, I think ever since my earlier standards in the school, we've had certain mass media classes, and that always intrigued me. And I think apart from that, I am a person who loves talking, so I really wanted to enhance my communication skills, and I thought that mass media was such an interesting subject, so I just had to take it. So I think I'm the person who inspired myself and my interests. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Bhavani and I'm from class 9D. My question goes to Ahan. What part of the mass media syllabus was the most fun and easy to learn, and which part made you want to scream into a pillow?
So for me, IMC was a nice chapter. I enjoyed it because my family background is also from marketing communications. So it was pretty easy to me. I enjoyed the chapter. But television, on the other hand, was a rack of a brain. Like I could not get down to it until the last moment. So I basically just learnt it for objectives and left it there. That's it.
Hi, I am Ishita Menghani from class 9C. My question is also for Ahan. People often assume that mass media is a really easy subject and they need not study prior for it. So what are your thoughts on the same?
So yeah, I would agree mass media is an easy subject, but not studying prior is like a move to majorly fail. You need to build up a base so that before boards, even if you study a little less, you can get great marks. So my suggestion would be take it more like a practical lesson. Don't study the way you study other subjects, but enjoy it and do it. So you'll like it.
Hi all, I am Lipakshi Gupta from class 9B. My question is to Advitya. but it's not related to mass media. As you were in the 10th grade and you had a lot of studies to do, did you get time to do extracurricular activities?
So for me, I have always been a person who loves to play sports and perform on stage and everything. But obviously, I have to manage my studies as well. And for me, I think one of the biggest reasons why I was able to manage both of them was because I love to play and study equally. So there was nobody was suffering over there. So for me, I think that, and another thing, that my mom and my dad, both of them, they always believed in me, and they never stopped me from participating in something because of studies. So I think that belief that they had in me was another thing that encouraged me a lot to try and balance everything so that I don't disappoint anyone. So I think that was how I could manage both of the things.
Hi, I'm Chanel from 9th B, and I have a similar question for Sneha. We know that you've participated in a lot of co-curricular activities. So how did you manage that with your studies side to side?
Honestly, it's all about the balance and a little bit of caffeine, I would say. But jokes apart, when you really like something, you somehow make time for it. One moment I'd be on the turf playing football or in the dance room dancing, and the next I'd be in the classroom solving some numericals. So when you're really passionate about something, you don't have to find time, you somehow make it.
Hi, I'm Arush Bhuer. I'm from class 9th B, and I'm also in the council. I also know that you are also in the council. I know that being in the council takes up a lot of time from your studies. So what helped you cope up after this lost time?
So yeah, it does affect your studies to quite a large number. It depends on how much of the heads you follow also. My suggestion would be you need to balance out. You will have to compromise on certain things for you to fit in your studies, or otherwise you can just leave the council. That is always an option.
So for me, again, as Ahan said, it is all about your balance, and you do have to at certain points make compromises. But I think for me, I had a lot of time when I had to skip classes to attend, council meetings and stuff like that. But I think then you have to cover it up with compromising on something that you actually like doing, like maybe cut down on your phone time and your play time or something like that, and that might actually help you cover up all the studies that you might have missed in your class. So that would be my suggestion for you.
Hi, my name is Nitan Trivedi. I'm from class 9th D. My question is to Sneha. What field will you take in future, like in mass media or something else?
I'll be pursuing law, but then I'm damn sure I'll be using the valuable lessons I've learned in these 2 years in my future. Mass media has helped me a lot gain confidence while speaking. So that's it. It was really helpful.
Hi, my name is Shaurya Patil. I'm from 9D. My question is for you, Ahan. What was your process while studying mass media?
So the hardest part for me was to open the book. Once you open the book, you just read the chapter and you enjoy it more than anything. Don't treat it like biology, suppose. Don't rectify it. Take your time, enjoy it, watch videos on it, and close the book. That's it.
I would also like to say something. For me personally, making pointers and learning them as mnemonics has helped me a lot. So I think that's a great way to by heart or gain marks in the exam.
Hi, I'm Arush from 9th B. We heard from Sneha what she wants to pursue. What about the other two?
So I'm pursuing engineering currently. I want to be maybe a AI engineer or a nuclear engineer. And I also pursue not to be a degenerate gamer.
So for me, I would be pursuing civil services, which is where you result in IAS or IFS or IPS officers. And I think I would really like to add this part that mass media is going to help me a lot in that, because it helps in your to enhance your communication skills, and that is one thing that is going to be needed in the UPSC exams and all. So I think that is what I'm going to do, and that's how mass media is going to help me there.
Hi, I'm Ira Kodia from 9C, and my question is not related to studies, but if any one of you could describe a fondest memory as an MMC student in JPS?
My fondest memory has to be the day our school took us to the Weekends radio station. We got to try everything from being radio jockeys to pretending we were news anchors to acting out scenes like we were in a full-on drama production. We enjoyed a lot, and that's it. That's my fondest memory.
Hello, my name is Hiya Savla. I'm from class 9D, and my question is to all three of you. Summarize your experience of being a mass media student in Janki Devi, but just do it in one word.
It was fantastic.
I think the one word that I'm going to choose for my mass media experience would be extraordinary, because this class is like very different from all my other classes, and I think I've enjoyed here the most. So
I can't really sum up all those beautiful memories in just one word, but if you really insist, it will be unforgettable maybe.
Hi all, I'm Zara Merchant from class 9B. So y'all have been telling all the good things about your experience of being an MMC student. But is there something that you would like to change about it?
for me, I think I would personally feel really sad if anything does get changed, because for me, this mass media is just the most wonderful experience I've ever had, and I would really feel bad if the future batches won't get to enjoy as much as we did. So I think I don't want to change anything at all.
Honestly, I wouldn't change a thing, because the whole experience, it was so wholesome, it was so wonderful as it was. So nothing I would say.
So one thing would be to split up the batches so that there is more extracurricular stuff happening. There's more fun regarding the subject. Apart from, because the syllabus can be completed in like a month or 2 months maybe, but we do not have the same amount of fun because of how big the batch sizes are. Second, this is extra, please fix the leakage in the AC because we get wet sometimes. That's it.
Hi, I'm Natalia from 9B. My question is to all of y'all. What advice would you give the current batch of mass media students?
If I had to give one piece of advice to the current batch, I would say balance everything out and complete your assignments and projects before the deadline, and enjoy to the fullest, and don't treat mass media just like any other subject. Maybe treat it like a vibe, then you can score well, I think.
So for me personally, I think one thing that helped me a lot in scoring good was making notes, like while Pradnya ma'am is speaking or while the teacher is speaking, just make those quick notes, so that when you're reading the book to study, it helps you a lot. And I think one more advice that I would like to add is to listen to your teacher, to Pradnya ma'am, because whatever she's saying, it is very helpful, and she says it in a very easy to understand language. So that really helps you a lot when to understand everything that's happening in the book. So that would be my advice.
So I would advise you all to enjoy the subject a little more. Listen to her. She'll lose her voice otherwise. Not good. And then finish the projects, enjoy it, and submit it before deadline. Okay? Good boys. Bye bye. Oh, girls also. Sorry.
I hope you all had a great time, and we hope that you all on YouTube as well as JPS We Kids Radio enjoyed.